If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these 2 bottles of Corona beer into these lovely, sparkly, pretty, and fun, and also these will make great DIY gifts, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be adding glitter to these 2 Corona bottles. I'm going to start with some red glitter. And this Mod Podge, it's dishwasher safe. And usually when I give these to people, they just use them as like little keepsakes, but I just wanted to see how this holds up in the refrigerator or if it gets cold, only because people have asked me so many times. So I don't have these in my possession, but what I will do is I'll ask my aunt to put it in the refrigerator, because I gave the red one to my aunt, just so she can tell me how the glitter holds up. This red is super pretty. It's my aunt's favorite color. And I just took a sponge brush and just really smoothed out the Mod Podge. And I'm just taking my time making sure I cover up all the glue with the glitter. This glitter came from papermart.com. It is a pound of glitter. And I think it was no more than like $10. I like to use this little brush. It's nice and fluffy, just to knock off any excess glitter. I'm just adding more Mod Podge to the top of this bottle. And you can get the Mod Podge from Amazon. That's where I got mine. And I'm just kind of pouring the glitter on. I'll let this dry for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes, and then that's when I'll either add a second coat or I'll just seal it. It's definitely your preference, definitely up to you how many coats you want to add. This red happens to have a full coverage, so I think I did 1 coat. I'll show you the results in the end. And this second bottle is going to be some chunky glitter. It's going to be a really, really pretty pink. So look at that. And I got that glitter from, it's called Recollections is the brand, and it came from Michael's Craft Store. Now, when I use the chunky glitters, I always usually have to use just 1 coat because it's so thick and it has such a great coverage. Again, it's definitely your preference. The reason why the thumbnail had 3 bottles and I'm only doing 2 in this video is because I did a YouTube short video doing the gold one. But I still have it in this video because I did do them all the same day, and they're really, really pretty, and I just wanted you to see them. Now this would definitely make a very nice prop. I guess if you want to have a cute little barbecue and maybe have something on the tables, you could do something like this, or this could just be a nice little gift. Now I'm using the Mod Podge. Some had got on my finger, so that's why I was using my finger. But I'm just going to do 1 coat of the Mod Podge. I don't usually seal with Mod Podge because I just don't like how it takes away from the glitter, in my opinion. But these still were pretty sparkly and really cute. I just did this for testing purposes to see how they would act in the refrigerator with dishwasher safe Mod Podge. I usually use a product called Liquid Glass. But this particular Mod Podge did seem like it had a thinner consistency. And I think the thickness of Mod Podge is what kind of makes the shine go down a couple shades. But I'm almost finished, you guys, and I will be revealing how pretty and sparkly these Corona beer bottles turned out. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these Corona bottles. And the one in the middle, that one has fine glitter. So if the consistency or the texture of the glitter looks different, that's why. The one on the left and the right, those are very chunky confetti glitters, as you can see. Those happen to be some of my favorite glitters to use now. I just really love them. They have really nice coverage. And these were like a really big hit. I was kind of last minute, and I was going to a barbecue, a family barbecue. And there were going to be some people there that I wanted to make something for. So I wanted to make sure I had these with me. These didn't take long at all. You just have to have a little bit of time to let it dry so you can go ahead and seal it. And then I just want to show you how it looks on the back. Look how sparkly and pretty and luxurious this glitter is. I hadn't used glitter in a while, so I really enjoyed using glitter and doing this whole video all together. So you guys, let me know what you think. Which one of these is your favorite? I love pink, but I just think this red one is so pretty. But I also love that gold one. So I just think they're all really pretty. But thanks you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook. And if you decide to subscribe, thank you so much for watching.
Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.
Also, don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe with underscores in between each word. Bye-bye.